Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. As part of our make and freeze series, आज चिकन स्प्रिंग रोल्स बना लेते हैं so that as much as possible हम रमज़ान के महीने में इबादत के लिए वक्त दे सकें. To start off, पहले 1 kg boneless chicken बॉईल करके श्रेड करके रख लेते हैं. This can be used for spring rolls, samosas, fried rice, instant fried rice, and sandwiches and any other thing that you can think about. We can boil the chicken, shred it and freeze it. Add half a teaspoon of pepper powder or a teaspoon of peppercorns, 1 teaspoon garlic paste and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. This is just the basic spices to boil the chicken. Otherwise it will be bland, the taste would be bland. As and when necessary, we can add the remaining spice powders. Mix well. Add half a cup of water. Close the lid and pressure cook for 3 whistles. After that, cool and shred and keep it aside. Heat a kadai and add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil becomes hot, add 4 medium-sized onions chopped and saute till translucent. Once the onions are done, add a teaspoon of garlic paste and a teaspoon of ginger paste. Saute well. Keep the flame on high. Don't reduce the flame till the cooking ends. Now add half a kg of carrots chopped finely, 250 grams of beans finely chopped, and 2 capsicums finely chopped. You can add cabbage if you like as well. Mix well. Keep sauteing on high flame. Need the vegetables to be crunchy, not soft. Add 3 teaspoons of salt. Saute for at least 5 minutes. Now add 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. Mix well and 3/4 teaspoon of pepper. Now add 1 kg of boiled and shredded chicken. Mix all the ingredients together till carrot and the chicken, carrot, beans and the chicken is nicely mixed. Saute well on high heat for 5 minutes and then switch off the flame. If you wish to have more spice, you can add a bit more pepper or even a teaspoon or 2 of chili powder. I've used Switzka spring roll sheets. Keep one corner towards you. Add a tablespoon or 2 of the mix and roll as shown, and seal the ends with a slurry made of maida and water. Layer a plate with butter paper. Arrange the spring rolls on the butter paper. You can layer them more than one. Freeze them and then remove them into Ziploc bags. Do try them out. Thank you for watching.